Real estate investing. Real estate investing usually involves the buying, ownership, rental or sale of commercial real property for profit. Improvement of commercial real property as a part of a commercial real estate investment plan is often considered a separate sub-specialty of commercial real estate investing known as commercial real property management. In many cases, when the term real estate investor is used, it is usually intended to include property managers. Real estate investors to purchase property in order to resell or rent it out. Most properties that are sold are not developed, and most realtors will not sell the property unless it has the potential to become a commercial real asset. Most realtors that deal with commercial property will typically work through commercial brokers who are experienced in purchasing and selling commercial real assets. Real estate investors typically look for good locations, income potential, property tax rebates, and rental properties that are currently being rented. While they will find any number of properties, some of these properties may have little or no potential for future profits. Other realtors will specialize in commercial real property investing. These types of brokers work on the commercial side of the real estate market and will search for properties that fit into their portfolios. Investors should also take note that the types of investments that fall under the category of real estate investing are different than those that are associated with residential real property. Residential real estate investments include apartment buildings, single-family homes, and rental units such as apartments, condominiums, and townhouses. Real estate investors are also responsible for maintaining the building that they own. While this may seem like a small responsibility for those who are dealing with commercial property, many of the maintenance expenses that are associated with real property can be costly to avoid. Additionally, many property owners need to pay for the professional services of building inspectors, as they will need to ensure that they are not violating building regulations and codes. Professional help is also available to those who wish to hire them. Real estate investments require careful planning and management, and many times involve more time, money, and energy than other types of investments. However, if an investor is willing to invest time, energy, and money into a venture that promises to produce good returns, a commercial real estate can provide excellent long-term benefits, and is often the safest type of investment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about real estate.